All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars, but actually it's called Dogelon Mars. Been saying Dogelon. Dogelon Mars. What's going on with this cryptocurrency? All right, this token's down right this second. We're going to check it out. I don't think it's a good discount buy right this second. Go to the Twitter and check out what's going on with Dogelon Mars. Also, we're going to talk about putting $25 into Coinbase before it does what? Before there's an article about that you should put $25 into Coinbase before it does what, and we're going to go over what that what is. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, also, what about that drip network? Get 365% back, 1% at a time. Drip network, we'll cover that at the end. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and head over to Dogelon Mars. All right, Dogelon Mars right here is down 7% in the last 7 days. It's down about 3% in the last 24 hours. Number 133 on CoinMarketCap, clicking it. Over here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 7501. Down about not quite 3%. So let's take a look here. In the last 24 hours it's down 3%, but in the last 7 days it's down about 7 or 8%. So we got a lower, from where it was at to where it's at right this second. Dogelon Mars trying to bounce back. Clicking it. Let's do the 3 months here. Dogelon, 3 months ago we had 117,000 holders. Today there's 131,000. That's 13,000. Roughly about 9%. So 9% more people holding the Dogelon Mars. All right, we got this article right here. Dogelon Mars. Are the current market conditions favorable for a bull or for the bears? Which one's it going to be? Now, did you know that a lot of whales love this token? So let's read what it says here. As Bitcoin retraced the other day, the meme coins market began tumbling yet again. The aggregated worth of the assets from the space merely reflected the value of $32.3 billion, down by over 2% on the daily window. In fact, the circulation trade volume also reflected the downward trend. All the big three tokens from the space had shredded 4 to 7% respectively values over the past 24 hours. However, Dogelon Mars was the only one displaying a positive week return when it compared to its counterparts. However, this might not last for long. Now remember what we know. We know that on the weekend's time, which is the weekend, that Dogelon Mars has a hard time on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. We already know that from past weeks and the weeks before and the weeks before. So what does this say? The sell pressure is mounting in Dogelon Mars market. Dogelon Mars as such is a whale-dominated token. So you see that? This is a whale-dominated token per ITB data. Whale possesses more than 3/4 of the token circulation of supply. So 3/4 of this token, the whales are gobbling it up. Thus, the whales' trade action usually have to say in the price movement of the token. So the whales buy or the whales sell, it's going to be told by what's going on. Larger holders' transactions are usually considered to be with what the whales, since the matrix take only greater than 100K. Now, as we can see from the snapshot below, the numbers of volume of such transactions did witness minimum bumps toward the end of February, but remained flat since. Same indicators that large Dogelon Mars participate have been taken step back behind the scenes here. All right, so take a look at that. Furthermore, over the past few hours, the buy-side transactions have largely been overshadowed by the sell side. So are the whales doing more of the buying, or the whales doing more of the selling for the Dogelon Mars? Thus, only when the bias flips from selling to buying, bulls would be able to thrive, else they'll have to cap and witness the Elon's price dunk again. So over here, is this a bulls or the bears for Dogelon Mars? All right, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All right. So what about this $25 thing with Coinbase? Something about $25 and you should invest $25. Let's head right over to check it out. It says right here, put $25 here before Coinbase makes their next move. Most people know Jeff Brown's famous 2015 Bitcoin call. It was trading at $240. Anyone who listened could turn that $240 into $64,000 this year. but few people knew about the early investment in Coinbase, the world's #1 cryptocurrency exchange. He got in years before in a recent IPO and recently saw gains of 5,600%. But after Coinbase announced its new NFT platform could launch in the next few months, Coinbase is launching our marketplace for NFTs. Brown has urgently announced that for all Americans interested in tech to make this $25 move before the Coinbase releases its new NFT marketplace. The best way to position yourself is not NFT art, collectibles, or Bitcoin. It's a bizarre new technology he believes could 200x. So he says to put $25 into Coinbase. So I don't know how you feel about that, but put your $25 in the Coinbase before they make their move into NFT space. All right. I don't know. Are you going to take your $25 and do it? The Bitcoin call in 2015, same thing. Put your $240 in. This time it's only put your $25 in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. All right, don't forget about passive income or cryptocurrency. We like the drip garden. We like the drip. We like the piggy bank. All those are passive income plays. Notes, strong notes are down right this second. The price of the coin. Notes are still a great project. Don't forget about crabs. Crabs are down right this second. So, all right, let's head back over to Dogelon Mars. You know, this is old news, but, you know, we all know that Dogelon Mars is a new dog in town here on Gemini. Checking it out here on the new website. Here's a couple places you can get Dogelon Mars. Crypto.com, Uniswap, OKEX, KuCoins, Huobi, and Gemini. Sirius flying on his ship. I am Dogelon Mars. Come join me, and together we'll reach the stars. Then the community is getting bigger and bigger. There's over 650,000 people on their Twitter account. Over 90,000 people on their Telegram account. Get the Dogelon Mars sticker pack. Download it today. You can click right there. And it's got their comic, kind of like their roadmap of what's going on. Dogelon Mars, Dogelon 133. Has a market cap of 414.26 M and a volume 9.80 M. All right, there's a quick start on how to set up your MetaMask. Create a MetaMask, send the ETH, connect your MetaMask, and then swap it. All right on that for Dogelon Mars. Back over here at the coin market cap, there's again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 75.42 price prediction. I think you can get the 6 zeros and an 80 instead of a 75. All our information is, again, for educational purposes only. We definitely like this token. Remember the whales, 3/4 of the token of Dogelon Mars is owned by the whales. So you want to swim with the whales, do what the whales do. If they sell, they buy, pay attention to them. 3/4 of the supply are owned by the whales. So don't forget to hit that like button. Click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here to learn about how to get 1% back, 365% on your initial investment with Drip Network. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you a little bit later on today.